If you are worried about the leftover rice that's lying in your fridge, then this recipe video is for you. Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to share with you a very easy mint chicken pulao recipe where I'm using some leftover rice. In our family we use a lot of rice. We in fact eat rice all the time. So obviously I have most of the time some leftover rice, and I come up with easy yet tasty recipes so that I don't waste the rice. For this recipe I'm using some fresh mint leaves just to give it a very different flavor. Now to make the recipe I have heated here half a cup of oil, and to that I have added 1 cup of sliced onion. I'm going to fry the onion till it becomes nice golden and brown, and I'll use the rest of the oil to make the recipe. Now if you have store-bought fried onion, you can always use that, but I like fresh onion fried, so I'm doing it in the beginning of the recipe. So this fried onion is ready. I have taken it out, and to the rest of the oil I have added few bay leaves, few sticks of cinnamon, and about 4 to 5 cardamoms. Along with this I'm adding 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Let the seeds splutter. Then goes about half a cup of sliced onion. I'm going to fry the onion till it becomes a little golden in color, and then I'll add the ginger and garlic paste to it. Adding a little bit of salt as usual to make the onion get soft quickly. So now goes the ginger and garlic paste. This is about 3 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste, and I'm going to fry the ginger and garlic till the raw aroma is gone and it gets nicely fried up. The next step is to add the chicken to it. I'm adding here roughly about 2 pounds, about a kilo of chicken with bones without the skin. I have taken smaller pieces of chicken. You can take big or small according to your taste. I'm going to give it a good mix. Then I'm going to cover the lid and let it cook on medium to low heat for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, the chicken has oozed out a little liquid. Now to this I'm adding half a cup of chopped tomatoes, and along with the tomatoes I'm adding some dried spices or powdered spices. Goes 1 teaspoon of coriander seed powder, half a teaspoon of cumin seed powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and obviously according to your taste add the red chili powder. I have added here about a tablespoon of that. Now after giving it a good mix, I'm going to cover the lid and let it cook on medium to low heat for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, the chicken has oozed out a lot of moisture. Now I'm not adding any extra liquid to this recipe. I'm going to cook the rice in this liquid. The rice is already pre-cooked, so I do not need to add any extra liquid. So this is the final seasoning, and to this I'll be adding about a little more than 2 cups of cooked rice. But before the rice I have added here a handful of freshly chopped mint leaves. Now adding mint leaves is completely to your choice. We love the flavor of mint a lot, that's why I normally add a lot of mint leaves, but you can add more or less according to your taste. So after giving it a good mix, I'm adding here the cooked rice. And after adding the cooked rice, I'll just gently give it a mix, then cover the lid and let it cook on low heat for about 10 minutes. And the liquid that is in the chicken will take care of the rest of the cooking. Be very gentle while mixing the rice because it's already cooked. So now goes the fried onion and a little bit of more of mint leaves. Since we all love mint leaves, I add tons of mint leaves. So that's it. After giving it a gentle mix, I'm going to cover the lid and let it cook on low heat for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, this recipe is completely ready. The rice looks absolutely fine. The chicken is well cooked. The final thing is to add some garam masala powder. I have some homemade garam masala powder. I'm adding here about a teaspoon of garam masala, and that's it. I'm going to give it a gentle mix. And that's it. It's ready to be served. If you wish, you can add a little bit of ghee, but that's absolutely to your choice. So give it a gentle mix and this recipe is ready to be served.